What's going on, guys? Shane here. Thanks for joining me. Hope you're all doing great. Today's going to be a quick video where we take a look at the very excellent Lockgrips. Now, if you guys have a CZ pistol or a CZ type pistol, these things are going to drastically improve the looks, the feel in your hand, and also how your pistol shoots. Now, if you guys don't have a CZ or a CZ type pistol, don't fret. They make them for several other models. They make them for Berettas, SIGs, Rugers, 1911s. Heck, they even make them for your AR-15. So if you guys just bought a pistol that uses grip panels, or you're looking to improve an old one that just needs some more flair, some better ergonomics, you definitely should stick around, check them out, check out their website, and pick some up for yourself. But I don't want to waste any more of your guys' time. As usual, let's get the camera on the table, take a closer look at these things. Let's get it started. Alright, so there are only a few upgrades that I'm sure myself and others think are a must-have for any pistol out there, and that's going to be your sights, trigger, and most importantly, grip texturing. Now, with polymer frame pistols, you obviously have to send those things off to get them stippled, or risk doing it yourself and screwing it up. But lucky for us, we just have to go on to lockgrips.com and buy a set of replacement grip panels, and we're set to go. Now, this journey started when I was contacted by TriStar Arms about getting my hands on these two pistols you see here to review and share them with you guys. But when I found out that these pistols were heading my way, I immediately contacted the folks at Lockgrips that same day to see if they wanted to partner up and send out some of their panels. Now, obviously, they were gracious enough to send these over to me and share them with you guys, so a huge thanks to them for donating these and help supporting the channel. Now, I will say there was a lot of back and forth conversation with them about what would not only be a good fit for these pistols, but also what would improve the grip and fit my needs. Now, it took quite a bit of time because of how many models and colors they offer. I have no doubt that anyone out there can find the perfect grip panel for their gun using the Lockgrips. They have what seems like hundreds of colors, several different profiles, textures, and even some custom cut grips. Now, hopefully I've been rolling in some B-roll of all of their grips in different models, but I really doubt I had enough time to even show a fraction of what they have. So if you guys want to check these out for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description below or on screen, I'm not sure which one, that'll take you to a page where you can then click the link to Lockgrips, as I can't directly do that through YouTube. So like I said, Lockgrips makes grip panels for several different guns, but what we have here on the table is my old cheap 1911 and the two TriStar pistols, the C100 and the T100, which are based off of CZ design, and lucky for me, the CZ grips fit perfectly on both of these. Lockgrips makes so many styles and so many different colors for so many different models of guns. I had a hard time figuring out where to start with this video, and it's even harder as this video took so long to make. They sent out another batch to share with you guys, so we have even more to cover. With the new batch, they are producing them in a bit different way to allow them to work better with a wider range of CZ pistols out there. They've done this so their panels will now fit more CZ variances and include a torque screw with every set as well. So I think the best way to approach this is if I just talk about the grips I have with me and my thoughts on them with each individual pistol. Alright, so first up here is the 1911, and what you see here is their Mayhem texture in flat dark earth. With the standard thickness, the standard bevel, and the thumb relief cutout into it as well. On the other side, the newer grips are the Ridgebacks. Here, let's make sure we're in frame. The Ridgebacks in tan, black, and green. Now, this 1911, again, is super cheap, super basic, that I've owned for several years now, and it really needed an upgrade, and I have to say that both of these Lockgrips absolutely did the job. As you can see, they not only look great, but on this pistol, they greatly improved the way this thing feels in my hand compared to those factory grips. Now, these grip panels on both sides aren't super aggressive, and I would say they're more tame of the three. So if you guys are looking for just a little bit of texturing, a big improvement to looks, then either one of these sets is definitely a good choice to go with. Alright, next up we have the grip panels on the two TriStar pistols here. And what you see here on this one, this is the compact thin bogies. We went with the blood red for the main body, and we have a black liner here on the back. Now, these bogies, guys, are definitely an aggressive grip panel. I don't think they're overly grippy to the point that they're going to hurt your hand, but they're definitely an aggressive one. So if that's what you're looking for, guys, these are definitely the grips for you. As you guys can see here from the close-ups, we have a circular pattern to them, sort of like a golf ball. Other than the main grip panel here being pretty aggressive, the rest of the panel itself is smooth where it should be. Now on the other side, for the newer set, we have their matrix pattern, which I absolutely love. This is a green color, and we have a hunter orange liner that really adds a nice pop to the pistol. Now this pattern was designed specifically for concealed carry. It is a light texturing that won't irritate your skin if concealed under a shirt, but both of these grip panels, along with the others I have here, have no sharp edges where they shouldn't be that will, hurt your hand over time. They're just a really well machined piece of G10. Alright guys, now it's time to cover the cool stuff, some of the custom work that Lockgrips can do. So what you're looking at here, these are the compact standard size in blue with their full checkered pattern. And probably the most obvious is my logo that's machined into the grip panel itself. That's right, Lockgrips is capable of doing some custom logos or text on your grips. And as you can see, I've moved my logo, and it looks pretty insane on here. The quality of the machine work is pretty nutty. My logo looks exactly the same as it does in my image I sent to them. Now we not only have it in blue, but we also have the same grip panel in their ivory. Now I will admit I don't know the actual name of the texturing of this one. I believe it's a little bit coarser than the blue. Hopefully I've been showing some B-roll, you guys can close-ups of this. So the blue is definitely more fine. I'd say more of a medium grip, and the ivory here is definitely a more aggressive grip, similar to the bogies in regards to how grippy it is. But as you can see, it looks really good. The machine work is fantastic. All in all, I am really impressed with what Lockgrips is able to do with a custom logo, my custom logo that I sent to them. So again, if you guys are looking for something really unique, something that has your logo or just some words that mean something to you, some lettering, definitely check out Lockgrips, send it to you, and they'll hook you up, get that put on your grips. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but their grips are made out of a G10 material, which does mean they're going to be super strong and very lightweight. Again, these grips come in some crazy color options as well, so if you don't like what you see here on camera, you definitely should go check out their website, because I guarantee you're going to find something that fits you and fits your pistol. Now all the sets here did come included with all the mounting hardware you need to actually install these things, which is a screw, a rubber ring, and an Allen key as well. Now for those of you that are wondering the cost of these, they do have a decent range of pricing, so you can definitely find one that fits your budget, but it does seem like they cost anywhere between $55 and $65. And I think that's a price definitely worth paying in regards to the looks of these things, and especially the quality of grips that you're getting here. Alright guys, I think that about wraps it up on the LOK grip panels. As you guys can see, I'm a huge fan of these things. Like I said before, they really do improve the look of your gun, the way it feels in your hand, and more importantly, the way it shoots. These things are just better shooter with the LOK grip panels. And I really do believe that they have something out there for everyone, between the textures, patterns, colors, thicknesses, contours, liner colors, base colors. There's something out there for everyone. If you can't find a grip panel that fits you, I think there's something wrong with you. But yeah, guys, I think that's about it. Again, if you guys want to check these out, pick them up for yourself. The link's down in the description below, or maybe on the screen. I don't know where it's going to be. Go check it out, pick some up. You won't be disappointed. But yeah, guys, that about wraps it up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment box below. If you guys are subscribed, make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you aren't, feel free to subscribe. We got a lot of videos coming up here down the pipeline. But that's it, guys. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.